Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. Short of ways, the euro dollar is pushing up pretty hard today, as you can see. Now, I personally think, if you watched my video a few weeks ago, that this is the end of a pullback right here. If that is the end of a pullback, then price will go up and take out the previous highs, and most likely go a lot higher than that, based on my higher time frame analysis. So I'm definitely primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now I definitely would be trying to go long right now at the top of this move. And I personally am a directional trader, so I wouldn't be trying to go short either. I would either be waiting for an exit in a long that I'm potentially already in, or I would potentially be patiently waiting for more pullback entries to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. As long as this thing does not go down and give us some sort of a significant break of structure, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see for potentially the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.